Yo guys, what's up? Hope everyone pretty well. So this is gonna be my first YouTube video, and then why I'm here? I'm here to unbox Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max and DJI OM 4Z. Ta-dang! Ta-dang! At first, I'm gonna go with iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is I'm really excited to see. Alright, let's see what is inside. Alright, I'll quickly remove these straps behind it and we'll check the box out and see what's inside. And I forgot to say, this time Apple doesn't have that plastic wrap, and this box 100% recyclable, which is environment friendly and which is good. Alright, this is iPhone 13 Pro Max inside. I'm gonna take this out. Alright, ta-da! This is Sierra Blue, which is I really like. It's a new color, pretty cool. Alright, let's take this out. Ta-da! And here we go, this is iPhone 13 Pro Max. See how pretty is this, and looks so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one in there and I'm gonna see what is inside the box. I got a small pack here, include a small document, an Apple sticker, Apple logo, and SIM ejector tool right there, and Type C to Lightning to Type C. What else? Nothing there, there's a box. I put this one here and put in the corner. I'm so excited to see about their display because this is the first time the Apple comes with 120Hz display and some more other features, which is more advanced cameras. Just other than that, everything pretty much same. And another one is they have a small notch, which is looks good. And alright, no more talk, I'm gonna turn on this. I'm gonna have a look. Okay, then I'm gonna turn on this iPhone 13 Pro Max and see how it is start up. Okay, I'm gonna hold this one to the camera. Oh. See. Hello. Okay, I'm starting setting up. I'm gonna New Zealand. Yes, quick start. Set up manually. Prepared language. Continue. And I'm gonna connect this to my Wi-Fi. Okay, iPhone is still setting up. So I'm gonna put this one in the corner. Right there. Then I'm gonna go with DJI OM 4. Then I'm gonna unbox this. Let's start from here. Alright, cool. I put this one here and I'm gonna put it in the bin later. We got a small arrow that shows that's from where we need to start. Okay, hold on. I got it. I got this. Okay. Oh, pretty cool. This is not the way. I have to put this way and I'll open this way. Okay, this is pretty much DJI OM 4. Create magnetic moments. Okay, first we see what inside here. Open it. Cool. Because we got a carrying bag here, which is comes with Osmo DJI logo. Put it here. Oh, nice. We got some documentations. I'll put it in here again. I'll make it right there. Okay, I'm gonna check out DJI OM 4. Pretty cool. And we got a phone holder, the mount. And we can, there's another one that we can stick on the behind the phone, which is easily we can mount the phone to the gimbal. And we got a holder, the tripod, which is also great. And we got Type-C cable. That's pretty much inside there. I'm gonna turn on this one. Turn on it. So we need to hold the M button to turn on. Okay, this is also setting up. I'll put this one here. And let's see about the up on it. It's set up. Oh no, yeah, it's pretty cool. So here, our phone is good to go. Okay, I'll swipe up from here. So yeah, how smooth this. So this all the application from my old iPhone. Yeah, it's so good, so cool, so smooth. Alright, I know that I didn't mention that before why I bring these together to unbox. Because I wanted to check that Osmo OM4 can handle iPhone 13 Pro Max or not. Well, the main purpose of this video that I wanted to know that OM4 can handle iPhone Pro Max or not. I mean iPhone 13 Pro Max or not. So right now I'm gonna check that. You guys can see this is smoothly working. It's working properly and it's stabilized well. It's work fine. That front camera, the DJI application and front camera recognize my face and it's tracking me. So I'm gonna show that if I turn to this way, the mobile is turning, and if I turn this way, and if I turn here, it's down and up. So all the way it's following me. And it's really cool. Those new features will help you to shoot your video easily. Boom. From next video, I'm gonna bring a cinematic video from iPhone 13 Pro Max with DJI. So I'll see you from next video then. Thanks for watching my video. Why am I not asking to subscribe me? Because I know that. If you really like my video, yeah, down here, hit the button. And why not asking to hit the bell icon? It's up to you guys. If you want to see my video, if you want to get a notification that once I upload my video, hit the bell icon. Thank you. See you next video with my what? iPhone 13 Pro Max, DJI OM. iPhone 13 Pro Max and DJI OM 4 combined.